Hey everyone, welcome back to my cleaning channel, Cleaning with Carrie. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video and hanging out with me today while we tackle some cleaning, and I hope today's video brings you lots of motivation. I'm starting off today's video in the dining room. I needed to do a quick little cleanup in here. This area does get messy pretty quickly, especially in the mornings whenever we get ready for school. So I do keep all the kids' school supplies and clothes in that cabinet behind the couch. This just makes it really easy so that way we're not scrambling the whole house trying to find all the things we need. So this area does get messy pretty quick, and I usually have to clean that up every day. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Eureka. I was so excited to work with them today on this video to share with you an affordable vacuum. I feel like sometimes vacuums can get a little pricey, and that's why I absolutely love this brand. I feel like all of their vacuums are budget friendly and great quality, work really well. So I'm going to unbox this Eureka Whirlwind and I will give you my honest review. This is a multi-surface vacuum, so it does have a handle that allows you to change the setting right at your fingertips. There is a carpet, upholstery, and hardwood floor setting, so you can just easily switch that as you're going from different surfaces. But the Whirlwind is a little bit different from your typical upright standing vacuum. That's because the canister wheels around behind you and you have a longer hose to work with. I love that, especially because we do have pets, so getting up close to those baseboards, up underneath furniture, on the furniture is really important to me. It's nice to have a longer hose, so I really love this design. It's less than 8 pounds as well, so you can hold the canister and still vacuum with the hose at the same time without it being too heavy. This vacuum also features a bagless design, an easy one-button push to empty out the canister, a retractable cord, and that makes it super convenient, so you can spend more time cleaning and less time struggling with your vacuum. I will have this vacuum linked down below along with Eureka's official website, so you can go check them out and see all the products they have to offer. And once again, thank you to Eureka for sponsoring today's video, and thank you to everyone who trusts my thoughts and opinions on these products. Jumping back into the cleaning video, this was actually filmed about a month ago, and I totally forgot to share this footage with you guys. I had filmed an entire video, but everyone kind of came down with a little bit of sickness, and I just forgot that I filmed it and I never shared. This was during that week where I never posted a video, and I don't know why I didn't, because I had a ton of footage. I just didn't get around to editing it, I guess. I don't know what happened. But I found it, and I thought I would share it with you today. So my son's room, all the toys were dumped out. The kids had like a complete party in here. So I decided to go through here, sort through all his stuff again, reorganize and declutter. So that's what I'm working on now.
I don't know if you can see the bad things you do, and I'm losing every piece of respect for you. Yeah, you can make me laugh and cry just by being around. If heaven's door is open, it's 'cause you kicked it down. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go.
The only thing bad about the footage that I got that day was that, like I said, everyone was starting to not feel good out of nowhere. It just like hit us like a ton of bricks. So I never ended up continuing that day. It was just cleaning that room and that was it. And then a day later, I was starting to do a cleaning video again, and something else kind of happened, so I stopped filming that day as well. So I just kind of took video clips throughout a couple of days and just combined them for you guys for today's video. So hopefully you don't mind. It's still the same thing, all the cleaning, you know what I mean? All the cleaning motivation, but sometimes it does take a couple days to get my house clean, just depending on like what's going on. So if you are in the same boat, just know you're not alone. I feel like sometimes cleaning videos can be just a tad bit deceiving, because you can see a 20-minute video put together of a house being cleaned start to finish, But the reality is, usually that does not happen. It's very rare if I can clean my entire house in one day. Very rare. I have to be on like some crazy caffeine in order to do that because it does take so long. And a lot of times I clean just like I'm sharing with you guys today, a little bit here and there throughout the week, and then I'm back to square one, a little bit throughout the week, and the house is back a mess again. And that's just normal, especially if you have young children, if you're busy outside of the home as well. Just a friendly reminder from your friend here, don't compare yourself to what you see on the internet. I know it's easier said than done. Like I said, I do the same thing. I've talked about this in a previous video where that comparison trap is a dangerous place to be. And it steals your joy. It's really easy to see something from the outside perspective and think, oh, wow, they have it all together, or wow, I wish I could do that. But we don't see the whole story. And like I said, from my perspective, as an influencer myself, you don't get to see the whole story either. I only share what I feel like is going to be entertaining and help you guys. There's a lot that I leave out, and clips of my kids screaming in the background, clips of the dogs barking or running around, or everyone tracking through my fresh mop floor. So just know I'm a real mama over here, just taking it day by day, just like you.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found some.
After getting all the folded clothes put away, I went into the closet, grabbed some hangers. I'm going to hang up some of the t-shirts and sweatshirts that I usually like to hang in the closet, along with a few of our nicer pairs of jeans. So I need to go through my clothes again. Like, I'm going to be doing a whole declutter. I may even have that video up before you see this one, just because it's sponsored. I have to wait for it to get approved and stuff. But I need to go through all my stuff. It does not take long for us to accumulate things and for our house to get packed quick, especially because, number one, my closet is very small. I did a closet system and it really did help a lot, but it's still like narrow, and I get a lot of free stuff. I'm not gonna lie, free is for me. I cannot deny a free shirt. Like, I go to my grandma's yard sale, I get new clothes, I get hand-me-downs from my sister-in-law all the time. She always gives me new clothes, and I'm so grateful for that because I don't have to spend a whole lot of money on clothing, but it adds up so fast, and before you know it, we don't have enough hangers, or we don't have enough drawer space. So I need to do better about decluttering as I bring new things in.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that.
It's time to move into the bathroom. This black faucet is going to be the end of me. It stays so dirty. Every little splash of water, toothpaste, it shows up and it does not come off. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use the Dawn, because I usually use the Dawn for my shower to clean the glass sliding doors, and it works really well. So I decided to scrub it down with Dawn really well, let it sit for a minute and rinse it clean. And she looks new again, you guys, so just use Dawn. It works really well on the black faucets. Moving back out in the kitchen again, I'm going to go ahead and load the dishwasher. So I did share this. I know I've shared doing the dishes a few times, but this is just reality. This is what my cleaning looks like. It's the same repetitive cleaning over and over and over again, sometimes twice a day. We use a lot of dishes. We love to eat, and we cannot seem to use the same cup more than once, so I always have dishes to do. But I also always have laundry to do, and the floors always need to be done. All of the cleaning always needs to be done, so who am I kidding? But y'all let me know in the comments below, what is the one repetitive chore that just gets under your skin? I have two, to be honest. I have the dishes and the laundry, and it's always going to be the two that I'm just not a fan of, that someone has to do it, that someone's me. But if I could choose to do anything else as far as cleaning goes, I would choose anything over dishes and laundry.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will.
Alright, so after getting the dishes done, I wanted to wipe off the stove really quick. I made oatmeal here earlier and it just made a complete mess. But thank you guys for watching today and hanging out while we got some cleaning done. Hopefully you got some stuff done as well. And if this video was not quite long enough for you and you need a little bit more motivation, check out the playlist I have down below or right here on the screen. That way it'll take you to my declutter playlist so you can start getting your house decluttered before Christmas time, and then all of the holiday stuff starts piling up. So don't forget to check that out. And like I mentioned earlier, the Eureka website will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you more than you know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
It was a thirsty night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me.